Imagine a world where AI not only helps you find jobs, but also applies for them on your behalf. This isn't science fiction, it's today's reality. AI is reshaping the job search landscape, making it more efficient and personalized.
AI tools like Apt AI and Careerflow offer comprehensive career support from resume building to job tracking. They provide personalized insights, helping job seekers navigate the complex job market with ease and precision.
AI tools like Resume Worded and Kick Resume enhance resumes by providing recruiter-style feedback. They optimize your profile for applicant tracking systems, ensuring your application stands out in a sea of candidates.
Enhansive and Skill Sensor use AI to tailor resumes with keyword optimization. This boosts your chances of matching job postings, making your application more appealing to potential employers. Sonara and Talent Prize automate job applications, continuously matching you with roles that fit your skills and personality. This AI-driven approach saves time and increases job search efficiency.
By analyzing your skills and work values, AI tools ensure you're matched with jobs that align with your career goals. Automation streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on preparing for interviews.
AI interview coaching tools like FinalRound AI and Udly AI offer real-time feedback on communication and body language. They help you refine your interview skills, boosting confidence and clarity.
With AI's assistance, you can enter interviews well-prepared and self-assured. By leveraging these tools, you'll enhance your job search journey, making it more effective and rewarding.
Black tech jobs, where talent meets opportunity.